Hello everyone. Now I want to show the game that I have developed. So let's go and run this game and see how it works. So run the file called game3.java, which has the main class in it, and everything is operated using the object oriented structure. So when you run the program, you see a menu where there are three options provided, like type of robot and the help file and about and exit. So like help file consists of the help document. Let's see what is there in the help document. Press 3 and enter. Yeah, here you have how to play the game, when you can move in left or right or up during the directions, say L or U, and you can grab a bomb and throw it in the respective direction. Now we'll play in a manual robot. So there are two options. One is from map with the loaded file, the other one is from the generated maze. So let's go and run the generated maze version. So it would automatically generate a maze and give you to play the game. So we should enter the number of rows here, 6, and number of columns, say 6. So now you are running the game. So you give the directions to move the robot, say up, left. So by this giving directions, the robot would be moving and collecting the candies. You can see the current time limit is growing by step, and score is incrementing as you take the candies. So you have finished all the candies and you have won. Now you can see the total time for taken and the enemies left. In this bit there are no enemies. We'll see how the enemies would be playing if the robot is there and the enemies are parallelly following the enemy. So the total score is 28. Now let's play once again in the auto mode. Here you need not do anything, the robot collects all the candies. So say generated maze, say 7, and column say 10. Now see, you can see that robot is automatically moving in the map and collecting all the candies. Here the robot moves to the nearest to one candy and then calculates the path and moves again. So you have won again. So now let's see the other ones using the maze that we have already, which we load from a file. So now I have all the files and all the mazes in the respective location. So you give that path. So say map 07.txt. so here you find random enemies. These random enemies move in random directions. They are also known as dumb enemies in my program. So you move the robot and you can collect the bomb and blast them, so you can have a path because the path is blocked. So now grab the bombs, press G and right to grab it. Yeah, you have grabbed the bomb. Now you can throw on right T space R, so the bomb will explode now. Yeah, so you have a path. Now you can move and collect all the candies. So basically in this game there are 5 types of enemies. One is random enemy, which you are seeing in this map. The other is player chaser enemy, which chases the player. The other is candy chaser, which will move to the candy next location. The other is sentinel enemy, which stays at a particular position, and if it is in the robot is besides you, it would kill. The other is walking sentinel. Now let's see how the other enemies work. Now again load a new map with a different enemy. Say again, change the map to map 08 or 0 map 10. Okay, here you will see the warp zones. So you have 1, 2 as a warp zones. So you are collecting the first candy, and when you step on warp zone 1, then you will end at the other end, so you can find there you have landed. And when you enter in the warp zone 2, you will go to the other end, and now you will collect the candy, and now you are win. So like this we can play out the different by loading different maps. So let's see some more maps, interesting maps. with different enemies, say walking sentinels and player chasers. So this is the example map for the player chaser H. So as the robot moves, the player chaser would be following you. So you move up, it will move up. You move right, you are moving. So you kept wait. This robot stays and the enemy follows you. So however you move direction, it would intelligently calculate the shortest path and it would come near you. Now if you give one more wait, you are dead. So let's see. Yeah, you are dead. The robot has killed you and the game has failed. So now again let's see how it happens with the walking sentinels. You can play the game with you very interestingly if you have very big maze. I have one very big map. So this is walking sentinels. These walking sentinels will be moving in the right direction, in the sense towards your right. When it hits again, it turns right. So this will be the case, and when you stay there, we are next to the enemy. So when you say wait, it would automatically kill you because you are immediately next to that. Yeah, failure. You have failed. So let's see how the auto robot works using the warp zones. Go there. Yes, now give the warp zone map 11.txt. See how the auto robot is calculating the path and moving. So in this way automatically it collects all the candies in shortest time. It could reach all the candies. So this is all the game about it. I still have maps you can find in the zip folder and you can play the game interestingly. So that's all for now. Thank you.